Have you ever seen this plantain chips and wonder that crunch? How could you make those? That's what we're doing today. Welcome everyone. My name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. Today we're going to be making some plantain chips with some green plantains. Relatively easy snack to make. I have my mandolin here. I'm going to slice these really thin and just fry them in some high heat oil, a little bit of salt. The plantain chips, there's enough starch on the chips that you can actually salt these before you put them in the oil, and all the salt won't just come off in the frying process. So that is really good. Stay tuned, see how I make this macaroni boy. With this, you just want to put a little mark in the skin so you can get your finger enough under there, and you just run your finger like that, and you'll get the skin right off. As long as this plantain, or whatever plantain you have, as long as it was like fully mature and ready to be harvested, you would have no problems getting the skin out. So my plantains are all cut up now, ready to be fried. All I did was just put a little salt on them. There's no setting time, no curing time, none of that. Just gonna get them over and fry them in my Dutch oven with some grapeseed oil is what I'm using today. That's another high heat oil. Don't want to use something like an olive oil on this. That will not crisp them up enough. Do you know what Jamaicans call a Dutch oven? It's a Dutchie. For plantain chips, you really want to use the green plantains to get that nice, crisp, and salty snack. But I also have a ripe plantain. I'm not going to make chips with that, but I just want to show you the difference in frying the ripe plantain versus the green one. All right, and you're gonna peel this the same way. The ripe plantains are usually easier to peel. Peels just like a banana. Oh, it is a banana. With the ripe plantain, it's very easy to cut, so you don't really need them to be sliced as thin. So you can go ahead and use your hand to cut the ripe plantain, because those are not gonna really be crisp. The ripe plantains are more sweet. They're gonna have a soft, sweet texture to it. So this right here is the ripe plantain. As you can see, it's not crispy. Just tears right into it. Big difference is this is sweet. I didn't add any salt to it. Tastes so good. Plantain chips are done, and the fried ripe plantains. There's, no set amount of time. You just don't want to have your oil too hot. I learned that the hard way. Burnt quite a few chips tonight. But low medium heat and just fry them till they get crispy and golden brown. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients will be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you in the next one.